Good morning, Primary 5, and happy Thursday. We're going to have a bit of a breather from all the work that you've been doing this week in maths, and we're going to play a game of pairs, which I think a lot of you will already know. For our game of pairs, you're going to need a little bit of card or paper. Just use something that's maybe in your recycling, or if you're lying about the house. I've found a little bit of card that I've used, and I've cut 12 pieces about the size of my hand. Now you could play this game with more pieces as long as it's an even number, so 14, 16, or you could do even less than 12. But I've stuck with 12 for just now. Because we've been working on converting between pounds and pence and pence and pounds, we're going to be using that for our game of pairs. So here is an example of pence, 506 pence, okay, which means our matching pair is £5 and 6 pence. Show you another one. There we go, £4 and 32 pence. So that must mean our matching pair is 432 pence. Now you've noticed I've only done 3 digits. Try for 4, but if you decide to play this with a younger sibling, you maybe want to stick with 3 or 4, and you can teach them how to convert between pounds and pence. Or if you play with an older sibling or your parents, then maybe you could challenge them a little bit more, go up to 5. Okay. So I have 12 cards, pieces of card cut out, 6 different values written in pounds and pence. That makes your 12 cards. Okay. In the next section of the video, you'll see all my examples laid out. Now you can just copy them if you'd like, or use that time to start writing down and making up your own values. Okay. So you'll need scissors, paper or card, and a pen. I've just used a Sharpie, but you can make yours beautiful and colourful if you'd like. So muddle all your cards around and turn them upside down. You don't want to make it too easy to find the pairs, so make sure you're spreading them out quite a bit. Now you can play this game by yourself. I played it by myself, but if you're playing with somebody else, decide who's going to take the first turn. So once you have muddled them all up, and they are upside down, the person taking the first turn turns over 2 cards. Now remember, you're looking for matching values. One of them will be pounds, one of them will be pence. If they do not match, you turn them back upside down and the other person takes a turn, or you take a turn again. Now if you do find 2 that match, for example 423 pence and £4.23, you take them and you keep hold of them. And that's it. Once you have matched all your pairs up, that's when the game ends. And you could go back and you could change the values of the money, or you could actually just choose a different theme and do something with pictures, or even just use a pack of cards. But the idea is you're always working your memory, because you're trying to remember where you've placed cards so you can match them up. Now, I don't know if you noticed the lovely tulips blooming outside when I was filming out there. I can't take credit for those tulips, but I do get a lot of joy from them every day, and I'm finding I have more time to just nip out and do a little bit of painting and drawing, which I find really, really enjoyable, as you know. And at the moment I'm trying to capture all the different colours in the tulips, though even since I started this drawing, the tulips have changed shape quite a lot, which is magical to see. And it's lovely to see that you're also doing activities that, if you think about it, you might not be able to do every day when you're actually in the classroom and in school. So enjoy those moments, from knitting to den building to science experiments to just sitting and drawing. And I'm glad you're finding time to do these things too. Okay, speak soon.